So I'm gonna do a quick video talking about these Vevor clip-on forks for a normal tractor. I got myself a L37 SU little Kabota front end. Yeah, it's painted green. I like green, and I didn't finish painting it green, so deal with it. Anyway, freight company wanted to charge me 160 bucks to get a delivery because I didn't have a forklift. Well, I've got a tractor and I got a bucket, so I got myself a set of these forks from Vevor. They're like 119 bucks. They're supposed to hold 2,000 pounds. The thing I'm getting delivered with freight is 600 pounds, so these should be more than enough weight. They're really basic. If you're looking at them like this, that little bit, the bucket end goes in there, and yeah, they clip on and you tighten them down, and they recommend that, you'll see, I'll show you in a second, that once they're on, you have a chain that goes from here and you tighten it to the top. So I picked up these really small little chain binders, and these ends for chains, I'm gonna make a custom length chain, so they just kind of clip in here and go onto that to support it. So let's get this unboxed. This is really cheap. I've got a diesel heater from Vevor, and it was like ridiculously cheap, but it's been working great for 2 years, so figured might as well try these, see what it does. So let me get this unboxed, get them on the bucket of the tractor, and go from there. Well, that was quick and easy. They literally just slide on. They say to put the yellow things in there. I think that's to help spread the load, but I don't know if it's needed. Anyway, it's there. It's got this little spreader bar, which you can spread anywhere on the forks to keep them from spreading apart. And then it also fits over this cap and that cap. But the instructions show it here. I'll probably move it up there. It depends, because if you want a long pallet, you probably want it to get on there. These are really important. So these are just ratcheted down, so that way as the edge of the weight comes down on the forks, it transitions some of the load up from there instead of it all being on the edge of the bucket. So we'll see how this works. This is just a real quick video on the Vevor 2,000 pound fork clamp-ons for a tractor. They're 120 bucks. Bought it from Home Depot, and then I got these from a Tractor Supply place, and they're just really small chain binders. They're 1/4 inch, and then I got 2 ends of 1/4 inch hooks for a chain, and then I had some chain and cut it to length and put it on there. I think it'd be a lot better if I had 2 ends of this and I clipped it back to this to spread the weight to 2 different places. So I'll probably do that. The delivery's coming tomorrow, so needed to get all this stuff in here. Anyway, that's plenty strong enough. I think if I had it up like that, so you would all be able to see it. But yeah, these things are really strong. Like, I'm bouncing on my tractor. Yeah, it should do well. I can't remember what the load capacity is of my tractor, but obviously it's diminished because of the length. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check back for more. You'll see what I'm unloading with this soon. I know this is not one of my normal racing videos, but if anybody's ever looking for one of these, well, here's a little quick video of what they're like, and hopefully it helps you. This is going to come in awesome with unloading freight deliveries for race car parts. As I keep getting bigger and bigger race car parts, I need something to unload it. So this will now let me unload big race car parts. Anyway, time for me to go. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Hit subscribe. Be my co-driver. See ya. I had to show this. I've had these forks on here for 30 seconds, and I'm moving around my box blade. That used to be a pain in the butt to move around if I didn't want to connect it to the tractor. This is so awesome. I don't know how much that weighs, but it's a decent amount. Yeah, works out great. Anyway, that's it.